show the concept which is concerned from us. These are all metal concept which is concerned in a brass. We keep our concept quite different than the Moradabad artware object. Of course, there are something similar from the concept, but these are quite different. We try to keep everything exclusive than the Moradabad stuff. You may see our all artware. Here you can see these are the lampshades. You can see all these lampshades. We have concept something in a horn, which is my major concept. Here these are the stool collection. These are the furniture range of our metals. We may customize more patterns according to the fashion trend demands. These all architecture concept, these furniture belongs to Brazilian, Italian, Spanish, most of the all top designers. So we are associated with the leader architecture reproduction boutiques houses who are just associated with us as our key designers. Apart from it, you may see here our tribal and vintage collections. You can see this is nature collections. You may say this is a safari collection also, nature collection also, tribal collection also. All these things you can see with the mirrors. This is the nature with a mirror, all such things. So everywhere we have tried to copy the European, Japanese, Americans, Latin Americans, most of the, even somehow Middle East and other concepts also. You may see all these mirror collections. These are gift objects. This is also. So these are the models what may prepare for you also, what you may customize from us. We can customize in the brass, coppers, aluminium, most of the all items. You may see all these concepts. This is also the nature concept. You can see how the leaf and other work we have customized. These all you are looking. See the mirror. These are all leaves what you are looking, the mirrors and these. Not only about these, we also associated with the leading architectures. They give us the themes to make a big concepts, what they use in their home interior items. We are major focusing with the Brazil, Italy, France, Spain, Germany, Holland, leading designers. So whatever the concept you are looking, you may see how we are customizing. This is all 100% handmade, and we try to keep everything exclusive only in-house. We don't know, I will show you how we just process all these things in our in-house. These are the candle stands. You can see these are all furniture objects. You can see candle motifs, etc. I am sure during the exhibition you have seen the Moradabad stuff. These all concepts keep us apart from the Moradabad. Of course, there is little similarity because most of the buyers they customize from Moradabad also because there they try to get it in iron and other materials more cheaper. But we try to keep the velocity more longer than the others. This is also our furniture items. You can see. Here you can see this is a lampshade collection. You can see from here, and there is the furniture, tables, and these all that lampshade you can see. We are showing you some hardware of the architecture hardware. This is all casted in house. These are also our home interior concepts. You can see lampshades. This is for roof and wall, all these. For tables, furniture, tables, these all items. We are having the range of the boxes. These are big boxes. You can see the boxes. So we customize according to each country's demand. These parts also, you can see these. These are all wall decors and accessories for gift items for Christmas. All such concepts. Here I will show you some cutlery. These are the brass cutleries. These are some napkin rings, more napkin rings. All furniture concept.